What is going on? Welcome back to another video. It's Logan with Socialverse. So just wanted to jump on here and shoot a quick video going over a website that we recently completed for a cleaning company out of the Miami-Dade and Broward County area in South Florida. So kind of going over it, that is Southern Florida, Miami area. This is called Miracle Hands Clean. So let's jump into it. So here we have Miracle Hands Clean website. It's basically overall a simple website that we put together for them. SEO first. So that is obviously a big thing for any service-based business, is making sure you set up websites for ranking purposes and making sure it ranks high for that specific service-based industry business in their local area. So we make sure we set it up for that. Jumping into it, here we have the Miracle Hands Clean website. Overall, pretty simple, pretty streamlined on your typical website design for service-based business, with their number, their email, just kind of about them at the top with get an estimate, their social accounts. The big thing that we did want to include for them is being in South Florida, they do have a lot of bilingual customers and clients, or people looking for their service. So we wanted to include a website translator. So for this, we got set up an English and a Spanish version of the website. That way users can switch between the English or the Spanish website based on what language they speak or they prefer. That way we can serve both clients here. Overall, at the top, you've got your simple home, about us, services, blog, contact us. And overall, we've got CTAs throughout this website that you'll see, such as get an estimate, get a free cleaning estimate, learn more about our services. And that's a big thing you want to obviously have throughout the website, is those CTAs, so people can obviously easily find it, click it, and go towards your target. So you can see it's residential and commercial cleaning in Florida. Moving down, we've got just some facts and things about them. 100% licensed and insured, bilingual cleaners, because that is a big thing for them. Fast and easy booking, satisfaction guarantee, and once again, more call to actions. After that, we've just got going into the services that they offer, because obviously when people are coming to a website, they want to learn more about, hey, what is this business? What do they do? What do they offer? How can they help me? So we've got kind of going into the services such as residential, commercial, daycare cleaning, church cleaning, business cleaning, moving into Airbnb cleaning for turnovers for people that own Airbnb properties and don't want to clean them themselves. They can hire Miracle Hands Clean to essentially come in, do all the cleaning, change the beds, do all of that, make sure the house is spotless for the next guest. And moving forward, then kind of going off of that, we go into the expertise for Miracle Hands Clean, just more about them. This is kind of just about, and then we've got some bunch of keywords, some things that they offer, services such as organize things, empty all trash cans, put away dishes, dust and defect everything, and kind of going off of the services that they do when doing a cleaning, whether it's a house, business, whatever property it may be, the things that they have, and that kind of goes off of SEO. And the big thing is obviously collecting emails with a website, so you can send special offers, discounts, just for email marketing purposes. So we've got that down here towards the footer of the website. Jumping up at the top, we're going to move into this, and as you can see, we've set it up where every single service has their own specific page for SEO purposes. That way we can rank that page in their local area. So let's jump into it and show you kind of more about that. Overall, pretty simple page, just going on to residential cleaning. We make homes and apartments clean again. So just kind of telling more about what their service is, as well as basic cleaning services, deep cleaning services for something that's more in depth and kind of like changing a whole house essentially, and bringing a house back to life for a really deep clean service. And then obviously going into reoccurring cleaning services. So they offer both one-time cleaning services and reoccurring cleaning services for those that might want to get their house or their property cleaned on a weekly or a monthly basis or a quarterly basis. So they offer that. And then kind of going into that, just some more information about their basic cleaning services and their deep cleaning services and things that they offer for SEO purposes. So we want to include kind of all those things in there for cleaning mirrors, empty all trash cans, dust and defect, because that's things that people may be searching for when wanting to get a service like this. So we've got all of that, got some images kind of showcasing the services. And then once again, got those call to actions. Like I said, got to have call to actions throughout the website. Overall, we've got that. All the pages are pretty much similar setup. Just got some general information about what it is, what you can expect, what to include in each one of those services. The big thing is the get an estimate. So they only wanted to take direct bookings for residential because that's an easier thing that you can set. But for the cleaning business, specifically in the cleaning industry, everybody's property, everybody's business, everybody's going to be different essentially. So you have to kind of figure out, hey, what are you looking for? How many rooms, how many bathrooms, that side of things. And then we can actually quote you. So that's what we got set up here, is where people can actually fill out a form and name, email, just some basic things, type of property, whether it's commercial, church, Airbnb, home, whatever it may be, square footage they need cleaned, how many rooms the property may have, how many bathrooms the property may have, what type of condition it's in, because that's obviously a big thing to factor in. Is, hey, is it a complete disaster or is it okay? So we've got this. So customers obviously fill on this in to get a quote. This gets emailed directly to Miracle Hands Clean, as well as put into the CRM for the backend system for them to check and manage and just kind of overlook everything that's coming in for leads. And overall, that's kind of like the basics of it. And then we've got obviously the contact us page where people can submit a form once again for contacting us, whether they have questions or want to learn more about Miracle Hands Clean. Just got a map on the business and kind of like the areas that they serve, some blog posts, and this is where obviously this get filled out with more blog posts that are coming out. But overall, that's kind of the basics of Miracle Hands Clean and the website we put together for them, just for SEO purposes, to take bookings, to showcase more about their services. So if you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments. Let us know what you do like, what you don't like, if you have any suggestions on Miracle Hands Clean website. Other than that, we'll see you next time.